welcome to the tutorial for arm. This is what it looks like. It looks just like leg, but instead of your leg, it's with your arm. So first you want to scoot up your yo-yo. And then, make sure there is no glue in your yo-yo. Then, with your dominant stick, well, I'm right-handed, so I will demonstrate how to do it right-handed. If you're left-handed, just do everything I am doing but opposite. So point your right stick towards you, like this, and then put your arm through. So I'm going to point it towards me, put my arm through. Make sure when you point it towards you, it doesn't point inward, but outward, so your arm can still go through. This is kind of like backpack, but instead of bringing it down horizontal, you're bringing it straight up. And it's going around your arm, and not your shoulder, or your upper arm. So now that you have brought here, you can start with a little swing to your left to gain momentum, and then just toss it over into your right. So you can gain momentum and toss it over. And then just catch it and it'll come straight back down. And then you can keep doing as many rotations as you want. To increase your chances of catching the yo-yo, you can line up your string, this string over here, that will catch the yo-yo, and the string that is throwing the yo-yo. So you can line it up, and to check, you can just bring it down to see if they line up. This trick, just like many other more advanced tricks and intermediate level tricks, just require a lot of practice. There isn't too much technical issues with this, it's just a lot of practice. So you just need to practice and just get a flow for it. And what helps is you don't adjust this. All you do is you use your left stick to just throw it over. Don't try to use your right stick to catch. Unlike leg, where you throw with your left and catch with your right, you're constantly adjusting your right in case your right stick to catch it, in case the yo-yo does not go where you want to go. With arm, you really want to have a very consistent toss where it always goes over at the same speed and at the same angle. So that way it increases your chances, and the only way to achieve that is through constant practice. Like this. Do you see how I am not moving my right stick at all? I'm just moving my left stick, and each one of my tosses are at the exact same angle, and they always land at the same spot. That is only achieved through practice. Good luck learning this trick. It's not very hard, but it just requires a lot of practice. Thank you.